Hello again guys, Andrew here, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm gonna share with you my honest review based solely on my experience with a site called Million Leads for Free. Okay, so let me just log into my account. Now this site has been around for quite a while now, since 2008 if I'm not mistaken. Yep, and still going, and they have over 14 million members. So, and as you can see here, it tells you every day the percentage of members logged in, and it's almost half of that, so it's around 7 million. Alright, so it's a lot, and it's a good idea to use this site for advertising whatever you wanna advertise online. Okay, now before I show you some results, please make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel, and if you like videos like these, make sure to hit that notification bell, since I upload videos every single week. Okay, well, on average every single week. Okay, so I've used this site only for 2 advertising packages. Now you can use this as a free member as well. You have to be active on a daily basis, and then you can post to 5,000 prospects. But I've used these sites for solo ad, and also recently I purchased a lifetime login banner ad. Okay, so if we go, first of all, it's free to join, and obviously I'm gonna leave my referral link in the comment section of the video, so make sure to check out the comments of the video. And once you join and you want to go straight up to advertising your product or service, then all you have to do is click on advertise. Right now there are different types and packages for advertising, but like I mentioned, I only purchased a solo ad, which is the most effective. Okay, as it says here, actually it is the most effective way to advertise, because you purchase, after all, you purchase clicks technically, not just an amount of visitors and whoever signs up. Okay, no, you purchase click, people that are doubled opt-in, people that are interested in your niche. All right, making money online niche mostly. Okay, so I purchased a solo ad and also a login page banner ad, and as it says here, currently there are over 5 million logins per day. Alright guys, so 5 million people will log in, and your banner will be in the login page banner ad rotator. Alright, so without further ado, let me just show you some results. I don't want this to be a long video, so as always I use leadslib.com. Let me just refresh the page so you see this is not just a screenshot. Alright, now when I purchased a solo ad, sorry about the noise. When I purchased a solo ad, I promoted one of my landing pages. Okay, so let me just find it for a moment. Yep, this is it. And since it was more than 40 days ago, I'm just gonna filter it to 30 days. Okay, now let's just go down and check for the million leads for free solo ad. And there you go, MLFF, million leads for free solo ad. So in total I got 116 real unique visitors, right, out of which 39 opt-ins. 33.33 is the percentage of people that opt in, and believe me guys, this is huge. All right, and the other for this solo ad, it was sent only to 5,000 leads. Alright, because there are different types of solo ads. I purchased the first one, single solo ad, sent to 5,000 members, okay, for $30. And these are the results that I got. Alright, 33.33% opt-in. Okay, you can purchase for $55 to 10,000 members, $80 15,000 members, or the best value here, $250 to 50,000 members, 10 times more than my solo ad. All right, and as I mentioned, I also purchased a login banner ad, and it was a lifetime one, which actually was a little bit expensive, but I think that it's worth it, and now I'm gonna show you why. So I purchased this one, the lifetime login page ad, for $300. Okay, and let me just show you how my banner ad looks like. You can create your own image and whatever link you want to promote. So this is my link. Okay, so whenever someone logs in, it will appear just like this one, okay, in the rotator. So let me just show you some results from this lifetime login banner ad, and it was less than 2 weeks ago, and this is the page that I'm promoting there, the click engine. All right, and by the way, I'm gonna record a future video about the click engine, so stay tuned. And let me just find it. There you go, MLFF login ad. Okay, I haven't gotten a lot of clicks, but look at the percentage of people opt in. All right, out of 18 clicks or 13 uniques, I got 5 people opt in on my list. All right, so I'm not gonna say nothing more. You get the idea. If you already use Lead Sleep, then you can understand better these results. So the bottom line is, guys, I strongly recommend this site, and if you can afford it, go ahead and purchase your first solo ad. See how it goes. I mean, you can never know how it goes until you try it, right? And I'm just gonna give you an advice: do not promote directly a referral link. Make sure to create a capture page so you get opt-ins on your list, and maybe they will be there for life. Okay, guys? So I guess that this is it for today's video. Like I said, you will find my referral link of Million Leads for free in the comment section down below. Make sure to check it out. Also, there are other types of advertising, but like I said, I'm gonna share my review based on my experience. I haven't tried these other advertising packages. I'm thinking about it, but if I do, for sure I'm gonna record another video. Until then, make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel, hit that notification bell so you won't miss any future videos alike. I'll see you in the next video, guys. Thank you for tuning in. Cheers.